I'm going to be showing you why the Dreame vacuum wet mop is the best thing ever and worth every single penny. And no, I'm not going to be spilling ketchup or any other sauces or eggs on my hardwood floor to show you that this works. I'm just going to show you how it works in our everyday life because truly I feel like that's just a bit more relatable. We had a doggy play date over today, so the floors were absolutely disgusting, so I figure I would show you how well it works. I absolutely love that it vacuums and mops at the same time. A little red light will pop up when it needs to be emptied, and this is the water just from our kitchen and hallway. This proves just how well this works. Once it's full, you just dump it in the toilet, flush it, and it actually has a self-cleaning button where it will filter the dirty water and wash and dry the mop. As a mom, I'm telling you, you need this right now. I'm going to have it linked down below.